out loud with me? Can you try and sing out loud? Just open your mouth and try. You could come up with some sort of lyric with me. It's okay if you don't want to, but one day you're gonna have to. 'Cause I'm gonna make up a song with you, and you will sing it out loud with me. And I will love it all the time. Every time we play music, everything will be okay. When you're singing with me today, I will love it when you make a noise. Now you're putting your lips in your mouth and put your fingers in it. I like when we wake up on Saturday, have nothing better to do than play a little guitar and watch you. We don't have to do anything, we can just hang out. We'll just sit here all day, maybe watch a little golf. 'Cause it's Master Saturday and everybody's gonna make a move on the leaderboard. Maybe a couple of negative numbers that will reach. Maybe Tiger Woods will come back tonight. Maybe Tiger Woods will have a big day. Maybe Tiger Woods will be on there on Sunday when the final round. Maybe Tiger Woods will be the hero. Maybe Tiger Woods will bring us to our knees and wonder how he can do it all like you. Why is he so special? Why are you so special? Why special? Because you're just so friggin' goddamn cute.